Laser cutting tips. Burrs can be corrected by increasing or decreasing the focus and drawing a curve. Welding slag is caused by excessive power, lens burns, or misalignment of the cutting head. If you experience difficulty cutting through, reduce the speed and check the air pressure. It may also be due to a mismatch between the plate thickness and the cutting parameters. Sparking is caused by poor concentricity and excessive focus. It can be solved by lowering the focus and reducing the power. Nozzle burns can be corrected by replacing a larger nozzle, reducing the power, and reducing the focus. You should also check the optical center's concentricity by applying clear tape to the nozzle and shining a light to verify the optical path. If the lens burns, check the air path, perforation parameters, gas pressure, and protective lenses for water droplets. Check the cutting parameters and nozzles for damage.